Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Schedule K-1 form. This document is crucial for reporting your share of income, losses, and dividends from certain entities. You'll receive a K-1 if you're a partner in a partnership, a shareholder in an S-corporation, or a beneficiary of an estate or trust. It details your portion of the entity's financial activity, which you then report on your personal tax return, typically Form 1040. Let's break down the Schedule K-1 into its main sections. Part 1 identifies the entity that issued the form, including its name and tax identification number. Part 2 identifies you, the recipient, with your name and social security number. Part 3 is the core, detailing your share of the entity's income, deductions, and credits. For example, Box 1 shows your ordinary business income or loss. When reporting income and loss, several boxes are key. Box 1, as mentioned, is for ordinary business income or loss. Box 2 reports net rental real estate income or loss. You might also see amounts in Box 11 for other income or loss categories, such as portfolio income. These figures are then transferred to specific lines on your personal income tax return, like Schedule E or Schedule D, depending on the type of income. To ensure accurate filing, always review your Schedule K-1 thoroughly. Double-check that all numbers align with your expectations and any other financial statements you have. If your situation is complex, or if you have questions about specific boxes, it's always wise to consult a qualified tax professional. Remember to keep all supporting documents for your records, as the K-1 is a critical component of your overall tax picture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.